I am Rich from Rich Build Studio in Taguig. We are specialized in modular, cabinetry, and hardwood furnitures.
My name is Robin Salazar. I come from Santa Rosa, Laguna, and our business is Craig Crafts. In our business, we try to make our clients smile. So our specialty is gifts and novelty items. Yung mga tools ko, as much as I want na ako yung nagme-maintain, hindi na siya kaya with the schedule. So usually, naiipon na siya, trabaho lang ng trabaho. Tapos pagdating ng service week na free, lahat sila nakabaol, padala, then aantayin ko na lang pabalik. Usually, within 2 days, nakukuha ko siya. Yung downtime, pwede ko siya i-schedule within service week. So planado. Yung tools mo hindi bibigay during an inappropriate time. Tapos kung may issue, maaagapan na during that time na nasa service center yung gamit. Very convenient siya, especially yung free pick-up and delivery ng mga tools for maintenance. Bosch is a good tool brand, pero we cannot help but encounter situations from time to time. So whenever we run into that issue, ang tinatanong ko with the service is, how well does the company address kung may issue man na na-encounter? And so far, I've been happy. One particular situation, yung tracks ako had a issue. It was still under warranty, so I called the service center. And within 48 hours, nabalik sa akin yung tool. I'm up and running. So minimal yung downtime and minimal yung interference sa operation ko. So yun yung one of the things that I'm looking for when I invest in a tool like from Bosch. Yung reliability and nakampante ka na if something goes wrong, they've got your back.
With Bosch, willingness to help is always a priority. Kasi alam ni Bosch na kabuhayan mo yun eh. So they would extend assistance as far as they could. As a woodworker, in our line of business, we need reliable tools. So how did Bosch help me with that? They gave me several choices to choose from. Each one is very reliable. Even they have also extended warranty and fast after-sales services.
I'm happy that Bosch has warranty for its tools na 1 year kahaba. That's good. And even better, for heavy-duty tools, meron pang additional na 6 months. Sa maintenance ng tools, wala akong masasabi kasi mabilis, it's free, and I really don't have to worry about it except yung coordination sa schedule.
Just give them a call. They would automatically reply or answer all your calls. They can also arrange the free pickup within the day. Before the end of the business day, they would have given you the quotations and you can decide on the spot if you want to proceed with the repair. If it's under warranty, then you're good to go. There's no payment needed. Other brands compared to Bosch, I'm here in the Philippines, I'm not quite sure if they provide you with the same level of services. I always hear that parts are not available or even the technician is not knowledgeable. So the recommendation would always be to buy a new tool with the same brand. But if you're the user, I think it's a big no-no. If choosing the proper tool is required, go with Bosch. Nothing to compare.
For product quality, reliability, and great after-sales, I'm Robin Salazar from Craig Crafts and I recommend Bosch.
I am Rich from Rich Build Studio and I definitely recommend Bosch.